Hi, Sherry Lucille here, staying at the very lovely Venetian Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada with my sisters, their husbands, and my handsome husband. And I am thinking of an idea for my next novel, Love Falling. So if you've been following, you know I have a trilogy, Love Changes, Love Dreams, and soon to come Love Promises. My fourth novel, Love Falling, that's the tentative name, is about an African American man and African American woman. So I just thought of an idea for a scene which I am about to write down before I forget. So one of my writing tips is have a journal with you, or I have millions of ideas on envelopes, scratch paper, things like that. Unfortunately, those things get lost and sometimes never make their way into the novels. Or, you know, if you're a modern person and you've got your iPad or your phone and you're putting all those notes in there, but I just like tangible things, is to jot down all your ideas. Don't let anything get lost. And people often ask me, how do I start writing a novel? And my tip to them is start. Like when you have an idea, your first idea, write it down and just continue to write, and then you can always refine and go back and make things perfect. But you must write down those ideas before they get lost. So I'm not going to talk any longer because I don't want this idea to get lost. Yeah, this is about my characters. The male lead is discovering the true character of the female lead. She's a very proud woman, and he has hurt her very badly, and she is trying to find her way back to him, but he's finding out who she is inside, and he loves her anyway.